Hello, today we are going to talk about drinks that can detox and cleanse your kidneys. Your kidneys are working hard 24/7 to filter your blood and remove waste products, toxins, and excess fluids. But did you know that what you drink can affect your kidneys? Some drinks can cleanse your kidneys from toxins and help them function at their best, while other drinks can strain your kidneys and put extra load on them, which leads to chronic kidney diseases. In this video, I am going to share 6 drinks to detox and cleanse your kidneys. According to studies, these drinks are not only delicious but also very beneficial for your kidneys and overall health. Let's get started. Number 1. Unsweetened Green Tea. First drink on our list is unsweetened green tea. Unlike black tea, green tea does not undergo oxidation, which preserves its natural color and flavor. So how it can benefit the kidneys? Well, your kidneys can be exposed to harmful free radicals and inflammation like any other organ in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your cells and lead to chronic kidney diseases. The damage caused by these free radicals to your kidney cells can lead to chronic kidney disease and its progression, which is a condition where your kidneys lose their function over time. And that is where green tea comes in. Green tea can help support your kidney health by neutralizing these free radicals and lowering inflammation in your kidneys. This is because it contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. Many studies reveal that the presence of EGCG in green tea is helpful in preventing chronic kidney disease and is probably even effective in treating. Green tea is also having diuretic properties, which means it can increase urine production and help flush out toxins from your body. Green tea may also lower your risk of developing kidney stones by preventing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals in your urine. The key to making a perfect cup of green tea is to drink it unsweetened, as adding sugar or honey can negate its benefits. Try adding cinnamon or a splash of lemon juice instead. The recommended amount of green tea for adult is 2 to 4 cups per day, which provides about 200 to 400 milligram of catechin, which is enough to raise antioxidant levels in the body. Number 2. Sugar-free smoothies. Smoothies can be a great way to get some fruits and vegetables into your diet, which can provide you with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants along with other essential nutrients. Smoothies can also satisfy you without adding too many calories. But if you are not careful, smoothies can also be high in sugar, potassium, phosphorus, and calories, which can harm your kidneys. To make a kidney-friendly smoothie, start with unsweetened Greek yogurt and low-fat skimmed milk as the base. Add some fresh or frozen berries such as blueberries or strawberries for flavor and sprinkle some hemp or flax seeds for extra plant-based proteins. These berries are not only delicious but also beneficial for your kidneys, as they are packed with antioxidants that fight against free radicals in your body. Other than that, strawberries and blueberries are low in oxalate and high in citrate, which is another substance that can prevent kidney stones. Citrate can bind with calcium in your urine and prevent it from forming crystals with oxalates, so it is beneficial for preventing kidney stones formation. Number 3. Lemon water. Lemon water is simply water with the juice of a fresh lemon squeezed into it. You can drink it hot or cold depending on your preference. Some people like to add a bit of honey, sugar, or salt to balance the sourness of the lemons. So how does lemon water help your kidneys? Well, lemon contains citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stone from forming by increasing the pH and urine volume, which dilutes the concentration of waste products in your urine. This way, lemon water helps your kidneys cleanse your blood and eliminate toxins from your body. Other than that, lemon water also helps hydrate your body and provides vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cell from damage caused by free radicals. To make lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. Drink lemon water through a straw. Rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking it so that it should not damage your teeth. Number 4. Black coffee. Fourth on our list is black coffee, which is very good for your kidneys. According to some studies, drinking black coffee regularly can reduce the risk of kidney stones and acute kidney injury. So, how does that work? Let's find out. One study published in the American Journal of Kidney Disease used genetic data of hundreds of thousands of people and found that increasing coffee intake from 1 cup a day to 1.5 cup per day reduces the risk of kidney stones by 40%. Another study by Johns Hopkins Medicine researcher revealed that consuming at least 1 cup of coffee a day may reduce the risk of acute kidney injury by 15% when compared to those who do not drink coffee. The researchers suggested that coffee and caffeine may improve blood flow and oxygen use within the kidneys, which could protect them from injury and diseases and keeps them filtering at a higher level for a longer period of time. This is because coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine, which have anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects. However, not all coffee drinks are healthy, and if you have kidney diseases, you may need to limit what you add to your coffee. Drinking black coffee instead of coffee with high potassium and high phosphorus milk or high calories sugary drinks will be better. Like with everything, you should enjoy your black coffee in moderation and pay attention to how your body reacts to it. Number 5. Water. This might seem obvious, but water is actually the best drink for your kidneys. Water is the main component of your blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients to your cells and waste products to your kidneys. Your kidneys filter your blood and removes the excess water and toxins that your body doesn't need. But when you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes thicker and more concentrated, which makes it harder for your kidneys to do their job. This can lead to kidney stones, urinary tract infections, kidney damage, or even kidney failure. Other than that, water also helps regulate your blood pressure and body temperature, which are important for kidney functions. So, how much water should you drink to keep your kidneys healthy? Well, it depends on your age, activity level, climate, and other health conditions. But a general rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 6. Unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, which can damage your kidneys if left untreated. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidin, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. A study published in 2019 suggested that cranberry supplementation can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by 32%. In chronic kidney disease patients, this can lower the risk of kidney damage and scarring caused by infections. Another benefit of unsweetened cranberry juice is that it can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to chronic kidney disease progression. As you can see, cranberry juice has many potential benefits for kidneys health. According to studies, however, before you start drinking it regularly, you should consult your doctor or dietitian first. Cranberry juice may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you have high blood potassium level, diabetes, or allergies. You should also limit your intake to no more than half cup per day. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more. Take care. Have a good day.